Oh, come on, man. Okay, he's gonna try to end run me. We know that move, so we gotta figure out how to get around him. Okay, come on, buddy. Okay. Hey. I know you're gonna try to. No! Hey, stop! Get out of here! Come on! Hey, back! Back! Hey, no! Back! Hey, no! Hey, get back! Come on! Come on. Just let me pass. Okay. Back off. Hey! Back off. Okay. Come on. Hey! Gosh darn it, he did it again. Oh, it's too much on an uphill. On a single speed, man. I can't. Hey. Okay, yeah, I got it. You gotta leave me alone. Come on. Okay, here we go again. He's circling me. Going for the attack. Okay. Watch. All right, I'm gonna go forward and we'll test something out. He's gonna fly and try to hit. Hey! Oh, okay, just walking backwards here. He's trying to get. Bike around. Nope. Like this. Nope. Back off. Hey!